Very good morning to members of the media, and thank you for coming in this morning to today's media brief on the systems which we are currently monitoring. As we speak, this morning we are currently monitoring three systems. One is tropical disturbance 15F, which is off the coast of southern part of Laos and is moving in towards Tonga. The other system is a tropical disturbance 14F, just to the west of Fiji, and it's gradually coming in and is expected to pass to the west of Fiji. And the other one is the new system that has developed overnight. It is a tropical depression 16F, which is off the coast of the Solomon Islands, gradually moving in a southeastward direction, and is expected to pass to the west of Fiji tomorrow. As we speak this morning, over the course of the last couple of hours, you must have realized that there has been sort of like an easing off in the rainfall. But this can be very deceiving because we are yet to be out of the woods altogether. With tropical disturbance 14F coming in closer, we expect the rain to pick up again from this afternoon. And as such, with the rain picking up, there's always a high possibility of flooding, not only for low-lying flood-prone areas, but also along the major rivers, as we've been experiencing over the course of the last 24 to 48 hours. And to add on to that, there's been a lot of rainfall that has been experienced on the ground. Nandaribatu, over the course of the last 48 hours, 507 millimeters of rainfall. And this is not only experienced in the highlands, but at the same time is also the reason why there's been a significant flooding or severe flooding in the major rivers is because of this rainfall has eventually made its way down. That's the reason for the flooding that we've been having over the last day or so. At the same time as well, as we look ahead into the system that's ahead of us, with 14F coming in very close, we expect the rain to pick up again from today. Same time as well, there could be strong winds, especially for the exposed side, the Sao and Mamanu group, for the western half of Vitilevu, and for Bonulevu as well, with the system coming in. And further ahead, with the 14F moving further away, and tropical depression 16F coming in very close, we should expect the same kind of weather to continue on to tomorrow. Once both of the systems they tend to clear, that's when we expect the change to come in. So we're looking at improvement in the weather from Thursday onwards. So a general word of advice for the general public out there is for them to know and take care of the warning that are provided, especially for those who live in flood-prone areas, and also for those who tend to move around in over open waters. For mariners out there, they tend to know that there's a strong warning, not only in phospholand areas, but also for over waters of Fiji as we speak this morning.